Hello friends, just now I received waterproof Bluetooth speaker from Amazon, so I am going to unbox that one. So the name of the speaker is LENRUE A15. It's a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. The weight of the speaker is just 360 grams, so best speaker for the travelers. I bought this speaker for 23 pounds. It's not that much expensive. Here it is. As I ordered through Amazon Prime, I received within one day. We will see what they given in the box. Yeah, here is the speaker. No, it's not heavy. And they gave two cables. Oh, I like this matte design. The touch is softer. We will see how it's going to work. They gave two cables, one for the charging cable, another one is action line. Now you can see the closer look. Front side it's a iron design, and that's one power button and volume increase decreasing. And back side, if you open this, you can put the memory card also there, and also there you need to put the charging. And this is the charging cable. Quality is not that much good, but it's okay. Yeah, another one is action line cable. Okay, let's connect first with the mobile. In mobile it appears with the name A15, so I just connected. And also I try to connect with my laptop also, so I connected. When you connect it to the laptop, you can see the battery percentage also. Now I am going to play the sound. You can listen. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside. Overall, I like the quality of the speaker with that price, just for 25 pounds. Because I bought this for the traveling purpose, so because of the low weight, I can carry easily. That's the video. Hope you like the video. See you